In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for inventory management. We'll walk through setting up your own system on Monday.com, ensuring efficiency and simplicity in tracking your inventory. Let's get started by diving into the setup process to transform your workspace into a robust inventory management tool. First, you'll want to create an inventory board. To do this, navigate to your workspace and establish a new board specifically titled Inventory Management. This board will serve as the foundation for your inventory tracking. To keep things organized, make use of groups to categorize your items. You might label these groups as in stock, low stock, out of stock, or even by specific product categories, allowing for a more organized view of your inventory status at a glance. Next, let's add some key columns essential for inventory tracking. Begin with an item name or SKU column. This will be a text or number column where you input specific identifiers for each item. Then add a category column, preferably using a drop-down format so you can easily categorize each item. A quantity and stock column should be added as well, utilizing a number format to keep track of current stock levels. It's crucial to have a reorder level column also in numbers, indicating when you need to restock. Include a supplier column where you can either input text or connect to other boards if additional information is needed. You'll also want a cost price or sale price column. Consider using a formula column to calculate or compare these figures. Finally, incorporate a last updated date column, ideally one that auto-updates, so you know when inventory data was last refreshed. To ensure immediate awareness of stock availability, incorporate a status column. Label this with identifiers like available, low stock, out of stock, and discontinued. Automate updates to streamline this process. When your quantity drops below the predefined reorder level, the status automatically shifts to low stock, helping you stay ahead of shortages. Automating various processes can significantly improve your workflow. For instance, set an automation to notify the purchasing team when the quantity falls below the reorder level. Another useful automation could be creating an item in the purchase orders board when a status changes to out of stock, ensuring you're proactive about restocking. Additionally, auto-assign new items to the warehouse manager upon their addition to the inventory, keeping everyone in the loop. Connecting related boards adds another layer of efficiency. Set up a supplier's board and connect it to your inventory board to easily manage supplier details. Create a purchase orders board to track reorders, and use mirror columns to display crucial supplier information and order statuses directly within your inventory board. For a better perspective on your inventory, construct dashboards within Monday.com. These dashboards can provide insights through various widgets. Use a chart widget to visualize stock distribution by category, a numbers widget to showcase total inventory value, and a table widget to highlight items nearing depletion. Finally, empower your warehouse staff by integrating forms for stock updates. Adding a form view to your board allows staff to promptly log new stock arrivals or shortages. Each submission will automatically refresh the inventory data, maintaining accuracy and reducing manual entry work. By following these steps, you can transform Monday.com into a comprehensive tool for managing your inventory effectively. Stay organized and proactive, ensuring your stock levels are always under